An engineer needs a video recording of one cycle of an assembly process to get started with the analysis. This video may be recorded with an ordinary smartphone camera and uploaded to the software. The tool makes it incredibly simple to get AI feedback on any assembly process. All a user needs to do is to specify the start and end of a cycle in the video, followed by the work region, usual location of the operator, and the number of steps they want to break the cycle into. Our unsupervised video segmentation technology automatically divides the cycle into a sequence of meaningful steps, saving the user from extensive annotation effort usually required for time studies. From the left-hand side, the user can select any step and near the top right corner of the screen, replay just that step. The user can optionally provide the name of individual steps as well as modify the steps identified by the AI. The AI then asks suggestive yes-no questions corresponding to every detected step. The AI tabulates the final improvement recommendations by taking this user feedback into account. On the results page, the system estimates that the current cycle time of 114 seconds can be reduced by 43 seconds, which will save more than $21,000 just in annual worker wages on this station. The system identifies the motion on several steps as being haphazard. It also suggests that the user figure out a way of removing step 9 altogether. It further recommends swapping the order of steps 2 and 3. Under station layout suggestions, the AI divides the work surface into ergonomic reach zones and measures the activity taking place in each of these zones. It establishes that a significant portion of the work is taking place in regions J, K, and L and suggests moving this activity to other regions of the work surface. Our AI estimates that implementing this change will reduce cycle time by more than 7 seconds. The system also makes improvement suggestions at the level of individual steps while simultaneously estimating the ROI of these changes. It further shows a spaghetti diagram of worker movement at the level of individual steps and identifies whether the motion is economical and well-planned or not. When the motion is haphazard, it calculates the potential value in appropriately planning it. The system also generates the standard work chart and other kinds of graphs describing the fine breakdown of the process. All of these analytics can be exported in Excel and other formats to be compatible with existing Kaizen procedures within an organization. At the end, users can record notes on the effectiveness of these suggestions, which in turn helps our AI get better over time.